Wouldn't you like to build core strength from the roots of who you are and upwards, really grounded? And once we're rooted into the riches of the earth, she can supply and support us in manifesting our dreams and our wishes. So join me this Saturday. It's a new moon. I'm going to be doing a Despacho ceremony with the theme of rooting, grounding, so that we can stand firm while this world around us is rocking. This Saturday, 10th of February at 12 o'clock, that's midday in the UK. I'm going to be doing it live online or at the Yoga Factory in Southend. The room is almost full, but there are 2 or 3 places left. So go look at misskiani.com. All the information is there, and contact me to book.